Today I'd like to demonstrate how I use this silicone rubber from BBDINO. It's a two-part silicone kit that makes a green mold that you can use for all kinds of different crafts and projects. It comes with easy instructions so you can read through all of the details, but it's a really simple process of just mixing a ratio of 1:1 of each of the parts. I'm going to make a mold of this chess piece. I'm using this small plastic cup to make my mold, and I secured the chess piece to the bottom with polymer clay. Now I'm going to measure equal parts for mixing. I find this product to be pretty forgiving. If it's not an exact equal ratio or you don't get everything mixed up completely perfectly, you'll still produce a successful mold. But you do want to try to mix really well and scrape the sides as you're going. This product is also self-gassing, which means as the two parts are chemically reacting to each other, the gas bubbles will come up to the top and you don't have to do anything extra to get them out. And that just makes for a better mold. Now I'm just going to slowly pour this into the mold. It's recommended to allow at least 5 hours for curing time, so we're going to give this a bit and we'll come back and demold. It's been just over 5 hours, so I'm going to demold our chess piece. So if we take a close-up, you can see how detailed the inside is, and now I can use this to make an exact replica of my piece. I could create something out of resin, polymer clay, metal clays. There are a lot of different options. So I highly recommend this product. It is really easy to use. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.